What's up, everybody? AJ from the League of Extraordinary from in here, and happy holidays and happy new year to you. I figured I'd end off 2017 with a bang with some new game content for you guys for tonight, and I figured what the hell, have some fun with some friends tonight. So tonight's video, I'm recording my first ever session of Cards Against Humanity online with my good friends Doug Lennington from Fear the Masses and Knob from OFNR Studios. I'm going to leave a link in the description below on how you can check out Fear the Masses and OFNR Studios. OFNR has been a big supporter of the music scene. Fear the Masses is, if you've listened to the podcast, both Josh and Doug have been on the podcast several times. You should check out their music. It's fucking awesome. And yeah, like I said, this is Cards Against Humanity, so please make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out the links below, and I'll catch you guys later.
You gotta pick your card sets.
I did. But, yeah.
Sure
That's right.
0 blank whites. Don't do it.
Yeah, okay.
If he's on Xbox, you can't play him.
Got it. Yeah, now I remember because I had to back out from the server and it didn't go through.
Yeah. I'm the card czar. So, what keeps me warm during the cold, cold winter? Man, I wish I was playing. I got some good cards.
Oh, I got a good one.
Man. These are good choices. African children. I can see there's a theme going on.
Awesome.
Well, I guess we're gonna go with
Throw pennies a day.
You were not specific about what kind of child you were being a dick to.
Alright. The Smithsonian, I can't even fucking say this word. Damn, and I'm only 2 drinks in. Somebody else fucking read it. Yes, this is going on the video. The Smithsonian Museum
of Natural History is just opening an exhibit on blank.
Thank you, Knob. Taking off your shirt
and everything.
Jesus Christ. Dead prostitute. Yeah. Yep, going with that one.
Absolutely, that's what I want to
Woo! Alright. Alright. During sex, I like to think about... Make it good, boys. Make it good. We're going feeding Rosie O'Donnell.
Ah, boo! What the fuck? I haven't even gotten a point yet.
No, it's not yours.
In the 7th circle of hell, sinners must endure blank for all eternity. Oh my god. In the 7th circle of hell, sinners must endure snorting coke off a clown's boner for all eternity. In the 7th circle of hell, sinners must endure unfathomable stupidity for all eternity. God, these are both good. I'm gonna have to go with this one because it just makes that would be my hell right here.
Absolutely.
I'm sorry.
I really thought I was gonna do a clown's boner.
It was close. It was really close, but I think it would have been too much of a party for people in hell snorting coke. But whatever.
My country 'tis of thee, sweet land of blank.
People.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be.
This dude is just wrecking us right now. Jesus.
He's cheating. Kick him out.
He's cheating. Oh, Jesus Christ. James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend, blank. If anyone puts Anne Frank, I'm fucking leaving. James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend, some goddamn peace and quiet. James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend, abstinence. James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers a door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend, Child Protective Services. Oh my god, dude, stop winning! I don't know who you are.
Oh, that's awesome.
The class field trip was completely ruined by...
PCP. What the fuck?
Blank is a slippery slope that leads to blank.
Oh my god. Oh god. Yes! I feel bad about playing that card, but...
That's awesome.
SMD.
It now gives the bad children blank. Oh man.
The bass drops so huge it turns terrible. The face of God. Oh my god. I'm fucking crying. Jesus Christ. Yeah, enough. Oh, Jesus. The 6 things I can never do without. Oxygen, Facebook, chocolate, Netflix, friends, and blank. LOL. Oh, fuck. The six things I can never do without. Oxygen, Facebook, chocolate, Netflix, friends, and 8 ounces of sweet Mexican black tar heroin. LOL. The 6 things I can never do without. Oxygen, Facebook, chocolate, Netflix, friends, and Euphoria by Calvin Klein. That's too real. Things I can never do without. Oxygen, Facebook, chocolate, Netflix, friends, and the Boy Scouts of America. LOL. Alright. Yep. Yep.
Alright. In the distant future, historians will agree that blank marked the beginning of America's decline. Historians will agree that the secret formula for ultimate female satisfaction at the beginning of America's decline. I like this one. In the distant future, historians will agree that a zero-ish way to make $2,000 home was the beginning of America's decline.
Yes!
Clearly, you're not a Trump fan because you would know she'd want to grab him by the pussy. After blacking out during New Year's Eve, I was awoken by blank. After blacking out during New Year's Eve, I was awoken by a salty surprise.
It wasn't a pretzel.
After blacking out during New Year's Eve, I was awoken by raping and pillaging. Either way, you're kind of fucked.
I almost spit my beer out. Yes!
God damn it.
AJ's had a comeback. Let's do this.
I really thought salty surprise.
Armani suit, $1,000. Dinner for 2 at the swanky restaurant, $300. The look on her face when you surprise her with blank bracelets. Oh, Jesus. Alright. The look on her face when you surprise her with fear itself, priceless. The look on her face when you surprise her with putting an entire peanut butter and jelly sandwich into the VCR, priceless. What the fuck? My only question is, who still has a VCR? If you have $1,000 Armani suit, you spend $300 on a dinner at a swanky restaurant, why would you still have a VCR? I don't know. I'm gonna pick it just because it's fucking funny to me. So. Sorry, Doug.
That's a good assessment.
man, I'm on a fucking roll right now. Blank plus blank equals blank.
Oh, my math.
Oh my god, okay. Growing a pair plus a stray pube equals man meat. 1,000 Slim Jims plus letting yourself go equals Bill Clinton naked on a bearskin rug with a set. Oh my god. Oh, this is. Yeah, I'm picking this one. That was. Oh no. That one was fucking priceless.
When you edit this video, you're gonna have to screenshot this right here. That's like your cover. Like that's just the. Bill Clinton.
Oh my god, that was fucking great.